This is the CMC Markets Connect Volatility Report. Japan's Nikkei 225 saw continued selling on Wednesday, slipping back from those fresh 33-year highs, with tech stocks being notable in their retreat, whilst broader sentiment was also impacted by fears that the Fed would now move ahead with a rate hike at next week's FOMC meeting. The Nikkei sold off by around 2%, driving one-day volatility to 30.19%, against 16.42% for the month. The Bank of Canada moved ahead with a further 25 basis point rate hike yesterday, something which seemingly hadn't been fully priced in for dollar CAD. Whilst the initial price action appeared to be somewhat overblown, the trend was clearly downward, closing around 4-week lows. The central bank may be nearing the end of its policy tightening cycle, and that evolving outlook when it comes to next steps of the Fed could leave CAD upside short-lived, but one-day vol on the pair stood at 7.92%, up from 5.85% on the month. And wheat prices moved higher earlier in the week off the back of that dam collapse in Ukraine, but gains here are looking to have been rather short-lived. The underlying is now down by more than 5% from Tuesday's highs, with one-day volatility printing 42.31% on Wednesday against 40.4% for the month.